All right, Damon, hard to believe, but here we are, the last actual day of summer.
Oh yeah, it's finally here, and my goodness, I know most of the summer was sunny, hot. That's all we could ever talk about, and now it's
We're going out with a very kind of just not a bang, just sort of a
mellow,
blah
gray.
day.
Yeah, exactly. It's not the nicest out there, and the next few days,
not really.
Not looking too good either. Let's check it out here. It's going to be a bit of an active start to the fall here. We have a flash flood watch. It was issued early this morning for Virginia, parts of West Virginia as well, but it's now been expanded to include the rest of the eastern panhandle over toward Martinsburg, Charlestown, and far western Maryland, so over toward Cumberland, all the way into Washington and Frederick counties included in this flash flood watch, and this goes and stays into effect until 8 a.m. on Thursday. So that's when we expect to see that rainfall moving through from tonight straight into the start of the day Thursday. There's that just gray sky that we've been dealing with out there on your Tuesday afternoon. So far, temperature is situated at 72 with a dew point of 64. So it just feels like it wants to rain. It looks like it wants to rain, but really we have not seen any precipitation just yet. Some showers have tried to move in over Garrett County, but it looks like for the most part things have remained on the drier side of things. But that rainfall is arriving. We have this plume of moisture and rainfall out ahead of the main batch of heavy rain that is going to be along a cold front that is back across the Great Lakes. So 2 rounds of precip is on the way here for the region. It looks like we're going to have that light rain starting to move across the mountains later tonight. That'll pick up to a steadier rainfall by Wednesday morning. And then we're going to see the heavy rainfall right along that cold front moving in on Wednesday night. And the combination of those 2 rounds of rain will lead to a possible flood threat, hence the flash flood watch, before we finally start clearing out by the time we get late in the day Thursday into Friday. So again, this is what's happening here. We have this little plume of tropical moisture. It's the remnants of Nicholas, as a matter of fact, moving in tonight. That's what's going to give us our first batch of rainfall. And then because of the cold fronts, we're going to see that second round by the time we get late in the day on Wednesday, that front creating another round of lift that's going to add to that precipitation total. So that's why a slight risk for excessive rainfall that could lead to flooding is issued for West Virginia and most of western Maryland down along the I-81 corridor in northern Virginia. So let's time this out. Here comes that lighter rainfall, eventually turning steady back across the mountains and west of Interstate 81. That rain starts to move a bit more to the east as we head toward your Wednesday morning, picking up in intensity at times, but remaining a bit scattered across the rest of Virginia and Maryland. But here comes that cold front with that higher reflectivity going on with a lot of these rain bands Wednesday night into Thursday. Notice how it's sort of just gradually moving east. It's going to dump a lot of heavy rain over some of the same locations for a short time. And this is a model output, so some of these totals are a little bit on the higher side, but we could very easily see 2 to 3 inches of rain when all is said and done. And those locally higher amounts, closer to 3 inches, will take place where those heavier bands are locked in place for a little while. So just be prepared. Watch out for those small streams, those low-lying areas. Flooding is a possibility into Thursday morning. And then as we head toward the weekend, thankfully enough, it is going to clear out and be a lot nicer by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.